Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before the video starts, let us introduce ourselves.
My name is Aurelaya Nabila.
My name is Azahra Nela Yoreka.
My name is Sifat Putri Ramadhani.
My name is Karunia Filiani.
My name is Zelfa Aurelia Alahya.
Today we want make a chicken karaage.
The tool is a knife, a spoon, bowl, and a plate.
And the ingredients: salt, sugar, and 1 sachet black pepper,
1 sachet sauri, chicken neck,
1 sweet soy sauce, 1 onion, 3 garlic, and crispy pork. First, we want to wash the chicken. Then we will to cut the chicken.
every other night.
Man, I fucking love this life. Put it down and these hoes say they love the pipe. No, I'm not the brand.
After that, put the dry flour into the plate.
I'm just mixing out with remote.
Next, we will make sweet and sour sauce. Put 3 tablespoons of chili sauce into a bowl.
Make her disappear just like poof, then she's gone. Addicted, don't know what
2 tablespoons sweet soy sauce.
coming on. When we chill, it starts with smoke.
Add half a teaspoon of salt.
Instead, I'm coming on.
Add half a teaspoon of sugar. Then add half a tablespoon of salt.
Next, we will cut the onion. We peel the onion skin.
You're not built like that, homie. Don't get killed like that. Always
After that, slice the onion.
tryna be real like that. Sick as fuck, feel like that. Roll up, then I will like that. I just keep it real.
After cutting the onion, we will cut the garlic.
Can't stop me, don't even try. Text me soon as I go reply. Next up, you'll be waving her line.
After the chicken is marinated, we will coat it on the wet floor and then coat it on the dry floor.
Robbing yawners, yeah. Yo, every night I'm sunning boobs with Sharpie pens. Cruise rambunctious, raging till the party ends. Catch me crashing open into galleries with artsy friends. Rich girls pull up party bins. Flippers, see how far
And then put oil in the pan.
it's what I do, man. This is nothing new.
Put the first chicken into hot oil.
Girl, it's up to you.
Once we cook, drain the chicken.
After that, we salt, onion, garlic, sauce that we have prepared.
Thank you for watching.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
This is us after pintu jebol.
Satu, dua.